Yo, what's up everybody? This is your boy JJ Hearts right here. I am doing a video of me changing my bathroom sink faucet. This is my very first time doing it, and I literally seen YouTube videos of other people doing it, and I feel like it's not hard, cause I could fix anything, you feel me? So I'm confident at it, and I know that I'm gonna do really good at this stuff, and it's really not difficult, and I'm gonna definitely open the box for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Alright, your boy's back, and I ended up taking some plastic off of some parts, but I'm gonna show you this right here. This is the main faucet for my bathroom, you feel me? Like, I had to upgrade, and this is simple for me to do this, because I can fix anything like I was saying. And this is the lines right here. This is for like under the sink and stuff. These two, one of them for the cold water, one of them for the hot water, you know what I'm saying? And then this is the center right here, the main center. I can't name it right now until I go into my old sink so I can show you how I'm gonna change it and all that. And then this is my rod right here. This is like the mountain rod, pull the drainage up or down and stuff like that, you feel me? So this is my new one. I don't know if I'll just keep the old one or not, but we'll see, you know what I'm saying? So this is not hard for me to do it, but I'm about to show y'all what's up, and I'm gonna show y'all my old sink. So there goes my old sink right here. There goes the old faucet and stuff. And the main reason why I'm changing is because, first of all, this is too short for me. Like, look how high it is, you feel me? Like, this is wild short. Like, I can't even put I can't even fill up water with bottles and stuff like that. Even short bottles, which is ridiculous, you feel me? And another reason why I'm changing is because it's old, and also this thing is loose. Like, every time I try to screw this is like loose for some reason. Like, this is on, this is good, but this is loose. You feel me? And I'm gonna show you what's underneath here. I'm gonna turn on this light though. So these are the parts that I have to take out. I have to take out this part. I have to change this. I have to change these two as well. You feel me? But if these are still good, I can reuse them if I want to, but I'm not gonna do that. And then this right here, over here, I have to like untie these. I have to loosen these two as well. You feel me? With the flathead screw. You feel me? With the flathead screwdrivers and all that. So it's not hard for me to do it. You feel me? That's it, pretty much. I don't have to, change this and this. I'm not gonna do all that. All I'm doing is change these parts and change these parts, and I gotta change the nut rod back there, the mounting rod that pulls the sink plug up and down. That's what it's for, pretty much. You know what I'm saying? And this is not even hard. Like, this is easy. Like, I feel like this is easy. You feel me? So let's go. One more thing though, and this is the tools. All the tools I need is these like ratchets right here. Is these two right here, just in case. These two adjustable ratchets. And this right here too, the flathead screwdriver, you feel me? So, and also this tape right here. This is the sealing tape for like the pipes and stuff, so that way it won't be no leaks and all, just in case, I recommend this too, just in case, so I'm about to get going now. Alright, so first thing first, I gotta turn these two clockwise so that way the connection for the water could turn off. You know what I'm saying? So I'll make sure the water's not running or nothing. Then right here, I'm gonna turn on this faucet, make sure there's no water running. No water, nothing running on both sides. You feel me? Just make sure no water is running through here or nothing. You dig what I'm saying? Then what I have to do is disconnect these two. I gotta disconnect these two as well from here and from where the faucet is. And then what I did is that I put the bucket underneath here, so when the water comes out, it can just drip in here instead of dripping on the floor, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so this part right here, these two parts is for the flathead screwdriver. I gotta disconnect these. I gotta loosen these for me to take this out, this whole piece, and now I gotta unscrew the clog holder, you know what I'm saying? For the sink, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, and another thing, I loosened these two. So this up here, I was using this. I think I was supposed to do it, but good thing I adjust it so that way, you know, I won't damage the plastic part, you know what I'm saying? So right now I gotta turn this real quick, you feel me? So I can just disconnect the drain and all that. Then I gotta unscrew the drain on top. So my bad, I didn't catch on to it, but I had to disconnect it, you know, this too. And you see how water's coming out through here? Good thing I got this container right here, you know? So that way I could just disconnect this part that's holding it, you know? There it goes, boom, easy. Wow, I have an access, so now I gotta drop this water out, you feel me? I'm not gonna change this pipe, I'm gonna make sure this is clean before I put it back, you feel me? So I had to disconnect this, I had to loosen this part. Or for me to get to this, now this gotta come out of there now, you feel me? And I have to disconnect also the screws for where the faucet is too on top, which I might be able to show you because this damn thing is so small, but yeah. So as y'all can see, it's hard to see it from here, yo. This is the connector for the faucet. This is the hot side, and the other side is cold. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I gotta disconnect these two as well, so that way the faucet can come out, and the center gotta come out too. And this part, the what you call it, that thing, when I pull up the thing, gotta come out too. So there you go. All right, so I was able to take that out. You know, all I had to do is pull this like center out, you know, from this thing over here. Can't see it, my bad. From this part over here, from where the pool is and all that. And look how my joint is now. Y'all see this joint, right? So all I gotta do is clean that out, and I have to put the new one on. And then I have to clean this too out as well. I have to clean this out because this joint been in there for a minute. Like, it's disgusting and all that. So I'm gonna definitely clean all that, you know what I'm saying? So now I was able to get them out. It was a little difficult due to this damn sink that's small, but now I gotta get out the other part, the holders for the faucet now. I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so I already loosened this part out. I already loosened it anyway, so I took it off. You know, this is about to come off now. These parts are a little hard. Damn, now it's off. Now I gotta take the other side out. Then the other side now. I loosened this too. Alright, so as you can see, this thing is loose. So all I gotta do is pull it out now. You know what I'm saying? Gotta pull this thing out real quick. You know, I gotta disconnect this other part, my bad, but I gotta pull all the thing out. Alright, look, I took it out, but I'm gonna show you how I did it. All I had to do is take this lever out, this cover or whatever. Boom, and then this comes right out. Easy. That's how this whole thing came out. I forgot to do that part first, but I got it, man. So as you can see, this is dusty, I already know. You know what I'm saying? I'm surprised it's not crazy dusty, but I'm gonna clean this up real quick. I'm gonna throw in like a degreaser spray, wipe it down, then boom, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so there you go. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'm about to wipe it down. Cleaning time. Make sure I get everything out, the dirt, grease, anything that's there, that gotta come out. You know what I'm saying? So it can look clean, so when I put the new part on, it's gonna come out real good, you know what I'm saying? So I'm sitting here looking at this instructions, right? And these are not really hard, how to connect the rod and stuff like to the faucet and all the stuff that's telling you what to do and all that, you know, and I'm trying to figure out how to connect these. Which is easy. I feel like it's not hard to do this. And this part is for, I'm gonna show you this circle part is for this. This is for the new part when you have to open this and put the circle thing so the water won't leak out none. So when you pull it to drainer up and down, the water won't come out. You feel me? So you just gotta unscrew this and then put that in the center. But I'm not gonna do that yet because I have to put the faucet in first, and then I have to put this part, and I have to connect this to this and all this stuff. You feel me? So that's what's telling me on here, you know, these instructions. So I'm just gonna show y'all what's up. Alright, so look, I unscrew this part, right? I unscrew this main part right here, right? Then look, when you put this in the center, boom. Watch this, when you put this in the center, that's where like the hole is. That's where the thing goes up and down. Look, watch. I'm gonna put it in real quick, then watch. Up and down, up and down, up and down. But it's not supposed to go all the way down because I'm gonna have to screw this like onto the sink. So the thing's supposed to be like all the way up, like literally up. Not too high, but like up, you feel me? So that way, you know what I'm saying? So then I gotta connect this part in, but I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. So this is not that hard. Alright, so now this is my new faucet, and this is supposed to go in, and this is a cover. You know what I'm saying? And I have to unscrew these two. I gotta take these two bottom up, and then I gotta put it like unscrew it from the bottom, which I'll show you in a minute. You know what I'm saying? So, alright, so now I'm gonna put it back. Now I'm putting this in now. Boom, it's on it now. So now I gotta do this thing reversible. I have to screw everything back in, the lines and all that, and I'm gonna show you some of the parts. You feel me? So let's get it. Alright, so now, for it to stay on, I have to connect these two again, connect these two things again, and then this afterwards, which is going to be a little difficult, but it's not that bad for me. Alright, so I finished, you know what I'm saying, and I checked it out, but I'm going to show y'all, and I'm making sure there's no leaks and nothing like that, so I'm going to turn these water on, you feel me, turn both of them on, and I'm going to check if there's any leaks at all, Anyway, let's make sure. I can't even see. I can't see from here. It's too small. Nothing. I don't see nothing at all. No drip. Not one bit. I don't see no drip at all. Nothing. Nothing. No leaks. Nothing. I had to make sure everything is tightened and I'm good to go. You heard? And another thing, yeah, I just peeled the blue part out, but another thing, I had to make sure that the thing is working, it's holding it, it's not loose or nothing like that. Then I push it down and it's working right. You feel me? So let me test it and make sure it stays up. Let's find out, man. All right, let's see if it goes down or not. Let's find out. Let's see if it stays. Any tornadoes at all? I don't think so. I don't know if it's going down or not. I don't even see it going down at all. Not one bit. I don't think so. Yeah, so this is good. This is really, really good. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so I'm going to explain what exactly I did, right? Because I couldn't record the whole thing, man, because I was kind of in a rush, but I tightened these two back. These two is tightened and all that. And then even this in the middle, I don't know if you can see it, but this part in the middle, that ball that was there, I had to push it in. I had to put the sealer in there. I almost forgot to put the sealer. And then this right here, this little part, I had to put it in between the metal thing. You know what I'm saying? And then also up here, I'm gonna show you what I did too. I tightened both sides. There's no leak, so that's good. So I tightened both sides. So it's this side. This is a cold one. I tightened this side, and then the other side. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's exactly what I did. So this is not hard, you feel me? And I gotta take this off because, you know, there's no leaks or nothing like that. I had to make sure of that. But I honestly want to thank everybody for watching my video and stuff. I did it. You know what I'm saying? This is adjustable too. Way better than my old sink. But see, now I can fill up water bottles and juice bottles and all that. This was not hard, kind of, but it was not that hard for me. So, you know, y'all already know, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Your boy got a new video coming up soon, and your boy is out. Peace.